knock on a wall, it's like this. And you knock. All right, little special device. You apparently put off electricity whenever you come around. This little device here can read you if you come up to it. If you walk up close to it, the light will go red. Walk up to this green light. Make it flash. Hear some? Feel like a swooshing sound? I heard something back there. Behind the stage. Is it behind the stage? Mm-hmm. Right there. I heard something rattle. You behind the stage? Make that rattling sound again. Did you hear something? Yeah. It sounded like clang, like clang, clang. Ting. You open the bar? Did you hear that? Yeah. That came from back here. Wait. I swear to God, I just heard a little kid right here next to me. Someone said, "Mom."
The new series Ghost Lab, Tuesdays at 10 after Dirty Jobs. It's all new on Discovery.